Welcome back, people. In this video, we will see how to incorporate jQuery into our website. So first, let's go to jQuery.com. So you will get a website like this. Here, click on download jQuery. Here you have the option to download the jQuery code file and link to use the CDN. CDN is the Content Delivery Network. If you are working on a real life project, then I would suggest you to download the latest version of jQuery. But now, for simplicity's sake, I will be using the CDN. So here we have a link to Google CDN. So Google CDN is one of the most used CDN. So let's use it. We will use the most recent 3.x snippet. So here you can see the version as 3.7.0. All you have to do is copy the script tag and then you have to go to your code. So here I have created three files: index.html, styles.css, and index.js. So go to index.html, create a HTML boilerplate. I gave it a title of jQuery and also linked the style sheet in the head section and the index.js file in the script tag inside the body. Inside the body, I have also added a h1 tag and gave it a text supporting tech and three buttons and named it 1, 2, and 3. Now let's go to the JS file and try and change the color of h1 tag. So usually without jQuery, when we have to change the color, we use the query selector. So let's see how that works. So let's save this and go to index.html, run this. You will get supporting tech and it is in red color. So let's go back to our code. This is how we change the color of the text in h1 using JavaScript. Now let's write a code to do the same work in jQuery. Let's go to index.js, clear this off. This is the jQuery code for changing the color of text inside h1 to blue. So what we did here is the dollar represents jQuery and select h1 tag and change the CSS property of color to blue. So let's save this. What you have to remember before running the jQuery code is that we have to incorporate jQuery library in order for the code to be valid. So all we have to do is go to the Google CDN, copy the snippet. So let's copy this again. Go to the code, go to index.html and paste the script tag above the script tag that contains index.js. So now we have to save this, go to our website and refresh. As you can see, the color is now blue. So what you have to remember here is that the position where you place the jQuery script tag, that is the one we copied from the Google CDN, must be above the script tag that contains index.js or any other JavaScript file for that matter. If you change the order, it may no longer work. This is because the browser reads the code from top to bottom and it tries to process the index.js file before processing the jQuery, which creates an error. So always remember to put the CDN link or the link to your jQuery library above the script tag that contains the JavaScript file. So this is how you incorporate jQuery into your website. I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.